I'm Steve Dwyer, founder of Edify Hub. Today I want to talk to you about how to protect yourself or your teen on the internet with your Android phone. We're going to use the Accountable2You accountability software. If you're not familiar with that or you don't have an account set up, go check out our previous video on how to create an account with Accountable2You. For a quick peek, go to edifyhub.com/accountable. That's our referral link, and Accountable2You will help out with some of the Edify Hub expenses if you follow that link. Once you have that account set up, then what we want to do is, using your Android phone, log into your Accountable2You account using the built-in browser, whatever browser you have. What we see here on the phone is the Member Center when you log into Accountable2You. One of the first things on that Member Center is a software tab. So we're going to go ahead and tap the software. This is where we get to the link to download the Accountable2You software for Android. So we'll scroll over and find the Android, and that takes us directly to Google Play. It'll launch Google Play. View in Google Play. Tap that link. Launch the Play Store. And here's the Accountable2You app in the Google Play Store. Go ahead and tap Install and give it the permissions. The app downloads, and then we say Open. Now, we already have an Accountable2You membership. If you haven't done that yet, you can go ahead and tap the Get Accountable2You membership, but you wouldn't have gotten to this point if you didn't have that yet. If you just went to the Google Play Store and installed it directly from there, you can sign up for a membership here. But now we're going to go ahead and tap Start Using Accountable2You. And then we're going to give the account name, password, and the device name. Now, if you remember, in the previous video, we signed up using a fictitious character named Sam Evening. So we're going to go ahead and sign up as S. Evening. That's his account. Then we're going to give this a device name. This is how you'll recognize this device when you look at your reports. So we'll call this one Sam's Android. Then we'll tap Save. Now you see the warning there, accessibility is not enabled. The way Accountable2You works on an Android device is not to watch the network layer, but to watch the text of the different apps that are running. By doing that, it can look at things even that it doesn't recognize as being a browser. So if you install a brand new browser, even that will be monitored. So it uses some of the technology that's often used for screen readers for the blind or other accessibility to be able to look at the text of whatever you're in. It won't check your passwords or your bank accounts, so don't worry about that. But what it does do is look at the window header or the title of the app and figure out what's going on, and that's how it monitors. So we do need to turn on the accessibility. So this button down here, Proceed to Accessibility Screen, we'll tap that. We'll go to the Accessibility Services, and one of the options is Accountable2You. We're going to turn on accessibility, then we are going to turn on Accountable2You, and it gets the information, it gives you that warning. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Now the accessibility is set up. We'll come back and we can close this because we have seen that accessibility screen. So now we're going to open we're going to open Accountable2You again. And we want to go to Settings. The reason we want to go to Settings is that, like I mentioned before, it is going to check every single app. It's going to look at what is being typed. One of the things Accountable2You will do is to send out an alert if it sees something that it believes is highly questionable. One of the things that's happened to me on a number of occasions is I'll be looking through the Bible. I'll be reading the Bible app, and it will flag something in one of those Bible verses. Sometimes there's some words in Bible verses that in modern English have a certain idea behind them that could look suspicious. And Accountable2You will catch those and flag them. So we want to turn off the ability for Accountable2You to start throwing a panic alert if I'm reading the Bible. So we'll turn off the Bible study app. Some of the other things that it has detected on is the System UI. So if we can find System UI, or System Manager Notification. So when I get an alert for whatever reason, that's not something that I've done. I don't want it to misunderstand that and throw out an alert to all of my accountability partners. So I'm going to turn off notification. You'll want to flip through and look at other things to see, is this something that I cannot control? If it's something I can't control, I don't want it sending out alerts. My accountability partners don't want to see those either. So just kind of flip through all of those. And once you're done turning off things that should not be giving alerts, then go ahead and hit close. And that's really it. At this point, I have Accountable2You set up. It's on my phone. It's watching, and it knows that it's connected to my account. We'll look later at the next video that shows how do I set up the reporting for each device. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.